The Rosen School of Hebrew is a prestigious academy for the study of modern Hebrew, which is partnered with the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. Our school's method uniquely combines live classes taught by experienced teachers with peer discussions and forums. When logging into your private personalized homepage, you can easily see your upcoming classes, classmates, latest forum posts, and much more. From there, you can smoothly engage in the weekly real-time classes. Our classes are taught in small groups by our passionate teachers who are world-class experts in modern Hebrew. The Rosen School of Hebrew's smart interactive tools allow the students to share screens, chat, and speak with their teacher and friends during the live classes. In case you missed a class or just want to watch it again, we've thought about that too. That's why you always have access to your recorded classes, so you can watch them at any time. For a more in-depth learning experience, we have webinars and live practice sessions to enrich your knowledge and study experience. Finally, with the Rosen School of Hebrew, you're never alone. That's thanks to our legendary customer care. You can reach out to us with any questions you might have. All of these facts together make the Rosen School of Hebrew a leading online modern Hebrew studies school. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now.